Welcome to Central Counselling Board AIEEE 2011. We will now take you through the seat allotment portal, which will also tell you about the initial fee payment, because initial fee payment can be made in 3 different modes. So we will explain you as to how to make this initial fee payment. First, when you log on to the website www.ccb.nic.in, you will get a link for first round seat allotment, or in subsequent rounds we will mention about the seat allotment, second round or third round and so on. So when you click on the seat allotment link, you will come up with this particular screen, which will display the provisional seat allotment result. It will also mention the round number. In this, you have to select the stream, and also you have to enter your roll number, the 8-digit roll number that has been given to you, and submit. Once you submit, the next screen appears wherein it gives you the provisional seat allotment result. Here your roll number, name, date of birth, All India rank overall, category, subcategory and state of eligibility will be mentioned, and also it will contain the allotment details. The allotment details will have institute name, branch name, allotted category, allotted quota, choice number and round number. And in the red color you will also see the dates by which you need to report, and failing which what would be happening to it. And below this you see a hand symbol which shows you for initial fee payment. Click here. So when you click here, the next page appears wherein we have shown you the modes of initial fee payment. The first one is demand draft, and the second one we will be showing you the e-challan, and the third one is the online payment using debit or credit card. Here the demand draft is highlighted, the radio button is clicked here. So it shows that you need to make a single demand draft of rupees 35,000 in favor of Chairman CCB 2011 payable at Mangalore. Mind you, the candidate belonged to open category, hence the amount on which the initial fee in the form of DD has to be made, the amount automatically appears here. If you choose the e-challan option, if you want to make the initial fee payment through e-challan, then you have to click the radio button of e-challan, and here you have two options. You can make the initial fee payment through e-challan of Corporation Bank or ICICI Bank. Once you click this, the following notes appear. The first one, if you read, kindly take a printout of system generated e-challan of Corporation Bank or ICICI Bank, and then proceed to the nearest branch of either Corporation Bank or ICICI Bank as the case may be, and deposit the initial fee. In this particular case it is 35,000 through cash only. Part payment is not allowed. Bank will enter the details like branch code, branch name, transaction number and date of deposit on all these 3 copies of e-challan. Bank will keep 1 copy and return back to the candidate 2 copies, one for the Central Counselling Board and the other is a candidate copy. Carry the e-challan copy of the Central Counselling Board when you go to the reporting center. In this screen we have shown you the sample of the e-challan of Corporation Bank. A similar challan would also be generated in case you are paying through e-challan of ICICI Bank. The next is online payment through using debit or credit card. So for this you have to follow the steps given here. You will have to click the link which is given here, and once you click the link, then whatever subsequent screen appear, you will have to follow the instructions given in those screens. So when you click this link, when you click the URL for the payment gateway, you get this particular screen wherein you have to select stream, engineering or architecture as the case may be, enter your roll number, select the mode of payment. It could be credit or debit card of either Corporation Bank or ICICI Bank. It could be Visa or MasterCard. Then date of birth, it should be entered as it is in the admit card, and then enter the security pin that is being shown below this box. Then you click submit. Once you submit, this will show you your roll number, candidate name, AIR and the application fee. Here we have just shown you 1 rupee, but mind you, it would automatically show you whatever is the initial fee that your category should pay. So then click go for payment. Once you click go for payment, this particular page of the payment gateway would appear. Then you will have to click that Visa / Master, Credit or Debit Card button. Once you click this, the appropriate page appears where you need to select the type of card, that is Visa or MasterCard. Then you have to enter the card number, you have to enter the expiry date of the card, then you have to enter the 3-digit security code that is printed on the back of the card, and then you have to type the name on the card and the amount would appear automatically. Then you type in the word verification and then you click pay. Once you click pay, it will, for added security, it will say verified by Visa is being used. So you have to proceed with verified by Visa. You click that button, and once the transaction is done, if your payment has been successful, then a screen will appear wherein it will show your roll number, the bank through which you have made the credit debit payment, the reference number and the amount that you have paid. Here you can take a printout of this. After you have completed the requirements for initial fee payment, you need to go to the nearest reporting center for reporting during the period mentioned specifically for each round in the information brochure. This period is also mentioned in the online allotment letter that you have seen. Now when you go, candidates are required to check all the necessary documents that they need to produce at the time of reporting. You need to carry the original AEEE 2011 admit card and score card, and you have to carry the 10th and 12th marks cards. You have to carry the category certificate, and if you belong to the PH category, you have to have the PH category certificate as well, and all other relevant documents. You have to report to the reporting center without fail during the period mentioned in the online allotment letter, and you will not receive any other communication regarding allotment from CCP.